everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you iOS 16.5. In the last video I showed you iOS 16.4.1a, which was a security update for iOS 16.4.1. This is 16.5. Alright, so as you can see, I'm at the general settings, so we're going to do software update. I got to turn this back on because I turned it off. Okay, so it says some features may not be available for all regions or on all Apple devices. For information on security content of the Apple software updates, please visit this website. So it's a feature update. And it's a big one because it's 801.4 megabits. So it says this update includes enhancements, bugs, fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. So let's download and install. All right. So it says update requested. So what's going to happen is the same thing. It's going to download it, and what's going to happen is as soon as it prepares it, it's going to the screen will go dark, and then what'll happen is it'll install it when the Apple logo shows up. So with this, because I know someone who updated to 16.4.1 today. You want to go through the 16.4.1a, then you can get iOS 16.5. So basically the 16, I'm not sure if I said this in another video or not, the 16 is iOS 16. The 5 is the 5th patch of this. So basically if it's 0.1, you're patching the patched update. And if the A, in this case it's iOS, means security, so you're adding a security patch to the patch. That's exactly what you're doing. So we have 2 minutes here. And you will always know, especially with iOS, if it needs to be updated, because the operating system itself will start acting a little funny. Sometimes it'll run slow, sometimes you can't open Windows, and that's a good indication that you need an update. Since I've had this iPhone 14, I've done updates. Let's see. It came with 16. About 6-7 updates. And I haven't had this phone a year yet. Alright, so we have 1 minute remaining. And I am downloading this through the cellular network. There we go. So it is done and downloading it, and it's preparing the update. So I will be back once the update has been prepared. Okay, I am back, and we are going to see if it's successfully updated. There we go. My iOS is up to date. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.